Are you looking for the top 5 best basketball hoops for home use? Looking for the best basketball hoop to set up at home? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, SKLZ's Pro Mini Indoor Basketball Hoop. First up, we have the SKLZ's Pro Mini Indoor Basketball Hoop, priced at $34.99. This caught my attention because it's not just a toy, it's designed for serious practice. If you want authentic basketball action right in your home, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The pro-grade steel rim offers the true feel of a full-size basketball hoop, making it perfect for honing your skills. The clear polycarbonate backboard is shatterproof, so you can practice without fear of breaking it, allowing you to focus on perfecting your bank shots. Plus, with the 9-inch spring action breakaway rim, you can dunk like a pro without it bending. This hoop has been bought over 6,000 times in the last month alone, showing just how popular it is. Users love that it comes with a mini basketball too. You can start playing immediately. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're serious about basketball, this hoop helps boost your confidence and skills right at home. Now, some people complained about the installation being tricky if your door frame is unusually shaped. Here's the thing though, as long as you've got a standard door, it should fit just fine, and the protective foam potting ensures you won't damage your door. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a serious indoor practice setup. Skip this one if you need a hoop for outside use or if you have a non-standard door frame. For its price, the value you get with the SKLZ hoop is hard to beat. Now, if the SKLZ's door mounting concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Joyin Red Arcade Basketball Game Set. Next up, we have the Joyin Red Arcade Basketball Game Set, priced at $37.99. This one is aimed at kids aged 3 to 12, and honestly, it's a fun way to get them active. If you want a lively basketball experience for your little ones, this is definitely worth a look. The standout feature here is that this set includes 4 inflatable mini balls and a handy air pump. The adjustable height makes it perfect for kids, so they can really feel like they're playing an arcade game at home. It measures 35 inches by 18 inches, which is compact enough for a bedroom, but still delivers that real basketball feel. Parents love that it's made from sturdy plastic, ensuring safety during play. Plus, the base can actually store toys. Talk about smart design. With over 600 sales the past month, it's clear that families are loving it. This means it offers tons of fun while developing motor skills and coordination in kids. That's a win-win. However, some parents mention that the hoop can be a bit wobbly during intense games. Here's the thing though, if your kids are just shooting some hoops for fun, it shouldn't be a problem, but competitive play might need a sturdier setup. This is perfect for you if you have young kids looking to have some fun indoors. Skip this one if you're looking for a serious basketball training tool or if you have older kids who might find it too small. For what you pay, it's a fantastic value for a toy that encourages active play. All right, product number 3. Wawa Wawa Official Silent Basketball Hoop. Now, let's check out the Wawa Wawa Official Silent Basketball Hoop, priced at $29.99. This product immediately caught my eye because it's designed for quiet practice, making it perfect for apartments or shared spaces. If you want a way to practice shooting without disturbing anyone, this is worth considering. What's cool about this hoop is that it mounts directly to the wall and eliminates backboard noise, which is a big plus if you're in a crowded living situation. It's made of durable plastic, and while it's not meant for dunking, it's perfect for shooting and passing practice. It's compatible with silent basketballs, which means you can shoot without any loud bangs. Great for working on your skills anytime. With over 1,000 units sold last month, it's clear that many people are looking for quiet training options. This product lets you focus on your technique without distractions, which is essential for serious training. However, some users mention that it can feel too light and might not hold up to aggressive shooting styles. Here's the thing though, if you're just practicing light shots and skill drills, it should work perfectly, but if you're looking to play hard, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or just want to practice without making noise. Skip this one if you're someone who likes to play aggressively. For its price, it delivers on its promise of quiet training. Alright, if the Wawa Wawa's limitations aren't for you, the next option offers a fun toy. Product number 4, Toy Life Basketball Hoop Indoor. Next on our list is the Toy Life Basketball Hoop Indoor, priced at $29.97. This one really appealed to me because it's designed for both kids and adults, making it a family-friendly option. If you want a versatile hoop that can entertain everyone, this is worth checking out. This set comes complete with 4 mini basketballs and a pump, so you're ready to play right out of the box. The breakaway rim is a nice feature because it adds to the safety of play, and it's made from high-quality materials that are built to last. It's also lightweight at just 3.5 pounds, which makes it easy to set up anywhere, whether it's in a playroom or an office. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clearly popular for keeping kids active while improving their motor skills and hand-eye coordination. This hoop offers a great opportunity for some friendly competition, too. Now, some users have pointed out that the mounting system can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing, though. Once it's set up properly, it works great and provides hours of fun without damaging your walls. This is perfect for you if you want a fun indoor activity for both kids and adults. Skip this if you're looking for something more permanent or for heavy-duty outdoor use. Considering its price, it's a solid investment for indoor fun. Lastly, if the Toy Life setup doesn't fit your style, the final product on my list adds a
Product number 5, Hope Rock Indoor Mini Basketball Hoop. Finally, we have the Hope Rock Indoor Mini Basketball Hoop, priced at $35.99. This one really caught my eye because it comes with electronic scoring and LED lights. If you want to add some excitement to your home setup, this might be just what you're looking for. This hoop features an electronic scoreboard that counts points and makes cheering sounds with every goal, all while cool LED lights enhance the experience. The spring-loaded rim gives you that real basketball feel, and the thick shatterproof backboard ensures it can handle some serious play. With 3 rubber balls included, you can easily have fun with family and friends. It's been bought by over 900 people this past month, indicating a strong interest in fun, interactive hoops. This product also encourages physical activity while improving various skills for kids. However, some users have mentioned that the electronic features can be a little finicky. Here's my perspective. If you're looking for a fun, lighthearted experience, the excitement it brings outweighs these minor issues. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, tech-savvy basketball experience at home. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional setup without electronics. For the price, it's a great way to keep everyone engaged and active.
So there you have it, 5 of the best basketball hoops for home use. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the SKLZ's Pro Mini Indoor Basketball Hoop because it offers serious practice features at a great price. However, I'd recommend avoiding the Wawawiwa hoop if you're looking for something more durable for aggressive play. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.